హాయ్ హలో నమస్తే ఆదాబ్ నేను మీ స్పందన
Just like this.
Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This is Sai Malayala and you're watching Everyday Lifestyle. So finally our north trip is going to start. Today is day 1. So today mostly it will be totally traveling from Kazipet to Agra. So tomorrow morning, today is 19th December 2021. By tomorrow morning, that is 20th December 2021, 4:30 AM, we will be getting down at Agra Cantonment Station. So that's the plan. So today in this particular vlog, I am going to cover all the fun which we are going to do in the train. That's the thing, and already train has started from Secunderabad junction. So that's how I dress myself today. So as it's a train journey, I wanted to be free as much as possible. I don't want to wear jeans and make it complicated. So just I'm wearing one track and one jacket and one t-shirt. So this is of MI, and here track is also MI. I'm a huge fan of Mumbai Indians, and I'm also a fan of Rohit Sharma. That is the reason I bought this particular track and jacket. So let's not take much time and let's move from here. So here is my luggage. So these people already brought it down, and both of them are here. So they are just writing out book. Hey, నీ బండి ఏంది అడ్డం పెట్టావు?
పర్సన్ నెంబర్ రాసి నేను ఫోన్ నెంబర్ నా రాసి అంతే
ఈ అత్త కరవైతే పడే ఫోన్ చేసి
Actually, first case was opened. Like it would be easy for us to take all this luggage and go till the gate. Thing is, I said right in the last vlog. Justice N.V. Ramana Garu has come to stay here in the night at NIT Warangal. So due to that totally high security, they are not allowing us to go out from gate number 1. So that is the reason we are going to take gate number 2. So which is really long, and see this luggage. And here is Ashish and Madhu. Hi Japandra. Madhu. Hi Jap Madhu. तो व्लॉग की हाई చెప్పవరా మాది అంతేనారా See Ashish, he forgot his gloves. he ran there and he is bringing now again. Don't tell him that he lost him. Ashish, don't you want to keep that gloves with you till Manali? What is this behavior, bro? Reckless behavior. We are here waiting for some of the girls like in our group. So here are some more people who are coming with Gunadir, and he's Abig, and here is Cherish. These girls are coming now. So here are 3 and there are 3, total 6 members. Already Ashish and Madhu are going there, and this is my bag. Hi Andy. Finally మా vlog లో కనిపించడానికి మీకు ఇప్పుడు దొరికింది ఛాన్స్. She is Siri and she is Amulya. Just because of Chief Justice of India, we are all doing this. Of course, sometimes happens. Whenever someone comes to our campus, we also need to maintain all that things, because in that case only they will also have a very good opinion on our college too. That's the thing. So here are all the girls. Ashish and Madhu already went. Time is now 7:35. Already actually reporting time is 7:30, but it has become late. So we are here at Kazipet station. I think last night I have shown you in the another vlog, right? Hi bro. Just now we got the train announcement, and they also displayed the coaches and all. So now we need to go through S3. Our coach is at S3. Tushar, Spandana, Nikhila's coach is at S3. So just now everything got settled. I just removed my jacket and kept here. So all of them. So she is Jayasri and Spandana, Nikhila, Tushar, and you know this Pondicherry fellow, Karthik, and Keshav is here. Kunal, Avinash Kapil,
KFC
Ashish. See, our Ashish Putraka. Here's Pawan and Tushar here. My dad is calling. These fellows already having breakfast. So here is one more group. Oh, oh, oh. Hey. Harash. అరే అందుకనే ఉన్నారా మొత్తం Finally, Gautam is here, and
Hi friends. How are you friends?
so he just brought our tiffin here. So we are just having our breakfast. We have our co-passengers here. So both of them are traveling to Delhi for a meeting. Hi, చెప్పండి అంకుల్. Camera.
Action! మా పర్ఫార్మెన్స్ మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే జై బాలయ్య కామెంట్ చేయండి.
Actually, we were kind of disappointed when this window is not open. But now we tried this window. Like finally this window got opened. He and Surya Prakash did this. Like, this credit cost us. This credit cost us. Now we are almost 1 or 2 minutes away from Nagpur railway station. So actual arrival time of Nagpur railway station is 3:25, but now the time is 3:45. Still we are near it, outskirts of Nagpur. Maybe like they kept train aside for crossing. So that's the thing. Actually we ordered Domino's pizza and all from Nagpur through PNR and IRCTC. We are just entered into Nagpur station. This is how it is, cable bridge. I think అరే ఇది ఫూట్ ఓవర్ బ్రిడ్జ్ లేకపోతే ఏం కేబుల్ బ్రిడ్జ్ ఇది
మామూలు అది ఎల్ఈడి కాకుండా నార్మల్ ఉంటుంది చూడు.
ఏం కేబుల్ బ్రిడ్జ్ అది? ఓ ఇట్స్ లైక్ అరే ఇట్స్ లైక్ ఫర్ ట్రాఫిక్ వెహికల్స్ సూపర్ మ్యాన్. ఇట్స్ ఓవర్ ది రైల్వే స్టేషన్. సో వీఆర్ హియర్ ఎట్ నాగ్పూర్ స్టేషన్ యాజ్ ఆఫ్ నౌ. సో తేజ సింగ్ got into the train. We are waiting for Kaivalya. Where he is? Even the Domino's which we ordered, he is also not yet here. So where he is going to come, I don't know. Like, hope he comes. So finally we got our Domino's pizzas from Nagpur station here. So we ordered total 15 pizzas. So thing is, after stopping in the Nagpur, hey, stop! So once after like in train stopped in Nagpur station. So we didn't see any of the Domino's pizza going around us. So we are like whether they are going to deliver us or not and all. But finally they have come and they are delivered. So here are our pizzas, and here goes the Kaivalya, the boy who got missing at Nagpur. Was missing. Who was missing till now. So he'll be with us till the next whole trip. So we are going to have a lot of fun.
స్పెషల్ ఇంట్రడక్షన్ రా. స్పెషల్ ఇంట్రడక్షన్.
Hi. So his coach is S1 and he's one of the topper from Tripoli. Which pizza you ordered?
I don't know.
You want veg or non-veg?
Both.
So can we skip to the good part?
చలో
తెలుగు బాగా ఓల్డ్ అయిపోయింది. ముత్యం
చంపడం
నరసింహ
జై బాలయ్య అఖండ
ఏట సినిమా నర భక్షించే
those wait let me see 1 minute
Shamti Sharma की yeah exactly हो गया
11:24 AM Maharashtra and Goa welcome to Jio and 5:08 PM welcome to Jio MP and Chhattisgarh.
डीजे को डीजे అందరూ బాగున్నారా అండి
చూపే నన్నిలా నన్నే మార్చనా నీవయ్యేలా ఓ మనసును లాగే ఓలా వేసే ఓలా నీ నవ్వులే ఆవాయ్ నీలో ఉన్న నీలోనే ఉన్న నీలోనే నేర్చుకున్నా నిన్నే ప్రేమించనా మామా
So we are almost in Madhya Pradesh, right? Bhopal, like, अरे Madhya Pradesh, it's Bhopal is in Madhya Pradesh. As of now, the time is like 8:41, 9:4. Tushar is saying Bhopal is in UP. This is Tushar. This is West.
IQ 100
And I have one more thing. Our teddy bear.
He's studying
Third class.
third class exactly.
So the thing is, train will stop at 9:45 at Bhopal. So now the time is 8:42, and as you guys have said, right, we are ordering food on IRCTC. So that is what Gautam is doing now. Arey, we can order food on IRCTC using the PNR, right? So that's what. So if you guys are traveling sometime like you can use this.
Hello vlog, welcome to my channel.
This is Keshav Loya.
This is Keshav. This is Pawan. This is Pandana.
Hello.
Topper of EC.
If you have any doubts in EC, just approach her. She'll
Electronics.
clear everything.
Especially analog.
Digital as well.
అంటే ఏంటో తెలుసా
And communication as well. Communication. Top, OP. She helped me in exams.
This is Nikhila,
God of EC.
God of EC. Sometimes EC HOD approaches Nikhila and asks doubts.
Even scientists.
Yeah.
One bow down to Nikhila. Everyone bow down. Once more. I don't know it came in camera or not.
I am Keshav
And here Surya. Don't know what
Surya, he has gone mad after reading so much.
and he is the array idiot
Number one bullshit guy.
So actually, the main problem is we are in some remote area here and we are not getting the signal. That is the issue with ordering on IRCTC app. So you guys also like plan accordingly.
అందరూ నిజం చెప్తున్నా బంటి అట్లా బ్లాక్ చేస్తే నిజం చెప్తున్నా
This boy is suffering from cancer.
Please donate.
He's looking like a old man. Anything else?
We'll help you man. Will not leave your side. Even if you have cancer.
Okay bro, fine. This is fine.
సిగ్నల్ వచ్చిందిరా
Huh?
ఒక పాయింట్
It's like this. This is the proper way.
Chunni
I
chunni
am
man
getting
chunni.
content. That's why I'm not saying anything.
Some chunni.
Time is exactly 10 o'clock now. So train is running late by 15 minutes. We are here at Bhopal Junction and that's the plan. And as I said, we have ordered our food. We are waiting for our food. So once it gets, we'll take that food and we'll get in and we have to eat. That's the plan. So now Spandana takes over the camera.
హాయ్ హలో నమస్తే ఆదాబ్ నేను మీ స్పందన ఏంటి మీ చరణ్ కాకుండా ఇంకెవరు వచ్చారనుకుంటున్నారా సర్ప్రైజ్ ఇప్పుడు నేను టేక్ ఓవర్ చేసేస్తున్నాను అనమాట ఇక్కడ
Actually, even if you don't order also, like we have a lot of options here. So all these things, you can see everything is prepared well here. I mean, like very hot. Yes, till now I didn't felt cold, but from now it's like kind of I'm feeling some cold. So as we move up north, it will be even more cool. So we'll be experiencing minus degrees too. So according to some of our friends who are in Shimla, present temperature is minus 1 degree there. So I'm really excited for that. Come. These all guys are trying to recreate the what is that scene ra? Tujhe Chennai Express tujhe these tujhe dekha to ye jana sanam.
అవన్నీ దోషాలు
Finally we have our food here.
వద్దు వాటర్ తక్కువ ఉన్నాయి
They were given the paper plates and these cups. This is of all these things. Like packing is very good.
జర్మనీలో జైల్లో
ఎంటీ ప్లేట్స్ అవన్నీ నేను ముందే వెళ్తుంటాడు ఆపాడు
So everyone is all set.
యాక్చువల్గా నేను అందరికీ గుడ్ నైట్ చెప్పాడు
So just now completed giving the plan for tomorrow. So here is Tejas Ingle and I shared all the plan of tomorrow in the group. So everyone everyone slept now. So this is how the situation is. For me now still I am not getting sleep. I will try to sleep. If I get sleep, I will sleep. If not, I will stay back. So as of now the time is 1 o'clock. Another 3.5 hours we'll be reaching Agra. So as we are moving towards north, temperature is even more falling down. So I'm really excited now. Everyone is Madhu, how is your experience, bro? So here is Pawan.
మనం వస్తాం హైదరాబాద్ కించి
We already entered Uttar Pradesh, Jhansi. That's what, right? Again we'll enter Madhya Pradesh. That is where the final stop before our stop. That is Gwalior. After that, Agra. Again it is Uttar Pradesh. So today almost we covered the 4 to 5 states. Actually, because of that train, we stopped. They stopped our train. Like they kept crossing here. Once I think after going off that train, maybe after 10 minutes, this train may start. Kunal, how is the Josh?
Hi sir.
Cool sir. So time is 4:10 now. Actual time of arrival at Agra station is 4:30. But the train, we really came very fast. So it's already 20 minutes ahead of the actual time of arrival. So in another 1 or 2 minutes we'll be in the Agra station. I'm really excited for this trip now. And the only thing is, like as it's 20 minutes early, I hope everyone gets on the train. That's the thing. So everyone, how is the Josh?
Very cool.
Cool sir. We got down here at Agra station. So everyone is there. Andar digara.
హలో ఫ్రెండ్స్ బాయ్ గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్ బాగున్నారా ఫ్రెండ్స్
చల్లెత్తుందిరా. Here are our buses and we are loading our luggage here. So that's the thing we are doing right now. This is bus number 2 and this is bus number 1. the hotel we are going to check in. This is Hotel Chanakya. So we got our allotment, we just checked into our room. So that's all for this vlog, guys. Day one is all about how we have come from Kazipet to till Agra and the fun which we had throughout that particular train journey. I hope you guys also really enjoyed each and every moment which I shared with you in this particular vlog. So now the task is we all have to fresh up and get ourselves ready before 8 AM. Now the time is 7 AM. So thing is we have to cover Agra Fort and Taj Mahal today as soon as possible and go to Mathura. So that things will be covered in the next vlog. That things will be covered in the next vlog. And main masala content, main fun and main exploring and seeing it the places, showing you the places, everything will start from the next vlog onwards. So please do stay tuned and also do subscribe to N18 Lifestyle. Chalo then, until then, take care, bye bye, Jai Hind.